How to turn on pop-out player on Twitch. Are you guys facing issue to turn on pop-out player on Twitch application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To turn on pop-out player on Twitch application, first of all, open Twitch on your mobile device. Once you open the Twitch application, now just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, click on your profile icon. After you click on profile icon, look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see the setting icon. Tap on it. After you click on it, you can see multiple options. Just simply head over to preferences. After you click on preferences, you can see this option for automatically pop-up player, which allows your stream to continue playing outside of the Twitch app in a small player, so you can switch between apps or send messages without ending the stream. You are looking to turn it on, right? Just simply toggle it. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to turn on automatically pop out here. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.